In this video, I'm going to show you how you can email Unopens in your Aweber account. So every now and then, you will notice that every time you send a broadcast that only a certain percentage of people will open your email, such as in this example I am showing you right now. So let's take this email for example. And you will notice that based on this, only about 7.8% of the people open this email. So what that means is that out of 100%, 7.8% of people have opened the email. And that means the rest of the people have not even opened the mail at all. Personally, I will try to target for at least 7 to 8% open rate, which is kind of not bad. I have seen higher open rate, but regardless of how high your open rates are, not everyone will open it. So what you need to do is that. It kind of makes sense to email to the rest of the people who have not even opened your email. And this is how you do it. So click on View Stats and you will see a statistic page. Scroll down and you can check out this thing called Opened and Unopened. Click on the Unopened tab and you'll see that there's a huge list of people who didn't open the email. So basically what you want to do is you want to click on Send Directly to the subscribers. You will be prompted to create a segment name, so let's just make one up right now. Let's call it Unopens. Okay. Or you can name it any way that you want. Click Save Your Segment, and you're done for now. The next thing you need to do is you need to go to Messages, click on Broadcast, and create a new message. So I'm just going to make one up on the spot right now for reference purposes. So this is just an example of an email template that I used, but feel free to make your own. So I'm just going to call it Test Email. Not that I am actually going to send it. Just write any content you want over here and click Save and Exit once you're done. You will get to the Drafts page and you have the option of clicking and scheduling a broadcast. So what you can do is the most important thing is you want to pay attention to this. Who should receive this message? Click at it. Select the list and send to segment. It's very important that you want to select the segment that you have just saved. So in this case, it's Unopens. And click Apply. And that's how you just email to the particular list of people who have not opened your email. And this is how you can increase your open rates without annoying the rest of the people who have previously opened your email. So the only thing left to do is pretty much edit the schedule. And you can choose to send it immediately or any time in the near future. So this is totally up to you. I hope this helps.